The latest programmable logic controller module from Turck is particularly well suited for control and automation in the mobile machinery sector. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The TBEN-L5-PLC-11 comes in a ruggedized, shock and vibration resistant glass fibre reinforced housing that is sealed to IP67, so it can handle the rigours of the construction site. It hosts the latest CodeAssist 3 object-oriented programming environment, offering a full choice of IEC 61131 languages, and comes with an embedded CodeAssist WebVisu license so that visualization screens can be accessed remotely using an internet browser. In addition to having 8 universal digital I/O channels, the PLC supports a full set of Ethernet and field bus protocols, both as master and slave. And these include Profinet, Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP, CAN Open, SAE J1939 and Modbus RTU. And there's more about the TBEN PLC at turck.com.au, or you can give them a call on 1300 132 566. This is Tim Webster for Industry Update Video.